No one wishes to get stuck in a situation where you feel threatened for your life and have to go through a critical situation to survive. That's why you should always be prepared with some survival gear. These gears are made for outdoors and pack some unique features to provide you a helping hand in time of need. There are a lot of survival gear available on the market with an affordable price range, and to help you choose the perfect survival gear for you, we have listed down the best 10 affordable survival gear that you can have to tackle any situation with confidence.
Check the video description for the links of the products. Since you are a new channel, don't forget to subscribe us as it will help us grow. Now let's enjoy the video.
Fire can bring you the lost confidence in any survival situation. That is why you should have the Swiss Safe 5-in-1 Fire Starter, a feature-packed fire starter that lets you start a fire in any survival situation. It comes with dual all-weather magnesium ferro rod, which lets you start a fire in any weather condition and has a lifespan of over 16K strikes at 5500 Fahrenheit. This fire starter has built-in compass, 150 decibel whistle, steel scraper, and a 450-pound 8-core paracord that can become handy in any emergency situation. It comes with a super compact design with lightweight construction, which allows you to carry it with you wherever you go. The Swiss Safe 5-in-1 is the ideal fire starter to have with you in any survival situation and start a fire to bring back your lost confidence. In any survival situation, fresh drinkable water can become scarce. That is why you should have the Sawyer Mini, a unique water filtration system that ensures you always have fresh drinkable water in whatever situation you are. It comes with a reusable 0.1 micron absolute water filter, which produces clean water from freshwater lakes, rivers, streams, and residential faucets without any chemicals or batteries required. This filter can remove all kinds of bacteria and protozoa and can filter up to 100,000 gallons of water without even stopping. It includes two 16-ounce reusable squeeze pouches and two 7-inch drinking straws that let you filter water just by squeezing and have easy drinking experience. The Sawyer Mini water filtration system can provide you fresh drinkable water in any survival situation. You never know when a well-planned camping trip can become a survival situation. That is why you should have the Gerber Prodigy, a high-performance survival knife that is made to provide you the much-needed advantage. This knife features a full-tank 420HC stainless steel blade, which allows you to have excellent cutting power to complete any outdoor job easily. Its blade comes with a ceramic coating, which does an excellent job of resisting corrosions and reduces friction while cutting so that you can achieve the perfect cut every time. This knife is mold compatible and comes included with a leg strap, which allows you to easily carry the knife with you wherever you go. Based on the award-winning Element 2, Gerber Prodigy packs the same punch in a smaller body to give you the crucial advantage in any survival situation. Stay prepared for any situation with SATIN SURVIVORCORD, a unique Paracord bracelet that can be your perfect companion to have in any survival situation. This Paracord bracelet comes in small to extra large sizes to fit your needs. After selecting your size, a 3-position adjustable bow shackle allows further fine-tuning for a comfortable fit. This Paracord survival bracelet is woven with more than 11 feet of Titan's patented survival cord using a trilobite weave pattern. That's 3.5 meters of military-spec 550 cord, snare wire, fishing line, and wax jute integrated into a stylish bracelet that you will always have in a survival situation. Its bow shackle can hold up to 1.6 pounds of weight without breaking sweat in any emergency situation, so that you can always stay worry-free. The Titan SURVIVORCORD Paracord bracelet delivers superior quality with performance that you can count on any survival situation. Tackle any outdoor job with Sharvol, a unique multi-purpose tactical camping shovel that allows you to easily complete any task. You can use this shovel as a saw, trenching tool, trowel, screwdriver, and more, so that you can always have the right tool at hand. This multi-shovel also features built-in compass, flint fire starter, wrench, rescue whistle, and other survival functions to provide you advantage in any survival situation. Made from high carbon steel, this shovel is built like a tank and comes with an interchangeable handle to suit your needs. This tactical camping shovel comes in super compact size with a lightweight construction that allows you to carry it with you wherever you go. The Sharvol Tactical Camping Shovel is the ultimate tool to have with you in any survival situation. In any survival situation, it's important to have essential brightness to tackle any situation effectively, and that is why you should have the LuminAID PackLite, a unique 2-in-1 lantern that is built to provide you essential brightness wherever you are. Equipped with powerful LED, this lantern can provide a maximum 300 lumen of brightness to cover a wide area and makes your nighttime activity convenient. This lantern has a 4000 mAh battery, which enables it to provide brightness for up to 100 hours in its low mode. You can also charge your smartphone using its 5V 2A output port. You can charge this lantern via AC port in your home or via solar power, which gives you the ultimate freedom to use anywhere you go. Made from heavy-duty, rugged TPU, this lantern is built for outdoors and comes with IP67 rating, which allows you to use it worry-free. The LuminAID PackLite can provide you essential brightness and keep your devices charged up in any survival situation. It's important to stay warm and comfortable in any survival situation to prepare yourself for the next task. That is why you should have the Titan 2-sided emergency Mylar survival blanket. These blankets use the same high-quality metallic layer found in hospital Mylar blankets to keep you warm and isolated wherever you are. Originally designed for space exploration, these advanced aluminized Mylar blankets are reusable, waterproof, and windproof, and they can also be used for both ground cover, rescue, or distress beacons in any survival situation. This blanket is perfect for emergency situations where warmth or protection from inclement weather conditions is required. It helps to prevent hypothermia and shock by retaining up to 90% of user's body heat. Each Titan survival emergency blanket is individually folded, wrapped, and sealed for easy storage and retrieval, so that you can carry it with you wherever you go. The Titan 2-sided emergency Mylar survival blankets can keep you warm and cozy in any survival situation. A mini tactical knife can become handy while preparing your shelter or just cutting for your fire in any tactical situation. That is why you should have the Voodoo Hawk Mini, a powerful mini tactical axe that provides you excellent cutting power. This Tactical X features a 12.5-inch stainless steel X-head with 2.7-inch satin polished stainless steel blade, which provides you great impact power and excellent cutting power to provide you much needed advantage in a survival situation. This Tactical X tool features a stainless steel pommel for hammering and a spike opposite the Mini X head for piercing. This Tactical X comes included with a ballistic nylon sheath that can be slung from your belt or gear for easy access and keep the X protected from outside elements. Light yet very heavy duty, the Voodoo Hawk throwing axes are both superb survival tools and a smart practical choice as a chopping axe or backpacking axe. Fire can be a great addition to bring back your lost confidence and helps you to cook your meal to survive any situation. That is why you should have the Adventure Medical Kit's SOL all-weather fire cubes. This fire cube lets you build up to 48 fires by dividing each of the 6 included cubes into 8 smaller pieces. These fire cubes can burn for 2 to 3 minutes non-stop. These fire cubes let you create a roaring campfire or disinfect water, as just one fire cube burns at 1300 Fahrenheit, hot enough to boil 16 ounces of water in just 10 minutes. It comes with a Firelight Striker that allows you to easily start a fire wherever you are. The Fire Striker is tested up to 5,000 strikes for efficient fire starting. You can pack the lightweight cubes in the included dry flake storage bag, which is reusable and waterproof. It allows you to carry them wherever you go and use it worry-free. The Adventure Medical Kit's SOL all-weather fire cubes lets you start a fire in any weather condition and gives you the ultimate confidence. A survival bag is a perfect item to have with you in any survival situation. That's why you should have the Sustain Supply Premium 72-hour survival bag. This is a great survival bag that is packed with essential items to help you survive any situation effectively. The 72-hour survival kit comes in 3 different packages, which are 2 to 4-person comfort and a 2-person essential package, so that you can choose the perfect package for a survival situation. These survival packages come with a premium backpack and includes 12 Wise Company food servings, 2 to 4 aqua liters of emergency water, 1 to 4 straws, and many more, which ensures you always have enough food in any survival situation. These packages also include Miraculous Companion Knife, LED lanterns, fully stocked first aid kit, ferrocerium rod, and many more, so that you can always have the right tool at hand. The Sustain Supply Premium 72-hour survival bag is stocked full of high-quality supplies to get you and your family through any survival situation. So that was all about the top 10 affordable survival gear for outdoor. Like, comment, and share with your friends if you found this video helpful. And subscribe to our channel if you want to see more videos like this on your feed. And stay at home for your survival.